In this video, you will learn what is a Java literals. Java literals are categorized based on the data types. So let's see first Java literals. First integer literals. Any whole numbers is an integer literals. For examples, in integer any whole number is an literals. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 43. Like these kinds of number or literals in integer data types 1, 2, 3, 4 and like 23. These are the literals in the integer data types, including all the integer data types and hexadecimal numbers are included in the literals. These are the called literals. Literals hexadecimal or start from A to F, means 0 to 15 numbers. 15 numbers means all these 0 to 15 numbers are the literals in integer data types. It can be like this: 1, 1, 2f, 2f also all the integer literals in integer data types. Let understand the floating point numbers literals. Floating point numbers literals. Floating point numbers are categorized in the float and double. double. Floating point number are write like this: 0.667. These are the literals in the floating point numbers. Or it can be like this: 3.141. These are the also literals in the floating point numbers. I hope these things you will getting to understand this concept of these literals, including the hexadecimal also, including the hexadecimal number numerals also, like 0.3 E67. These are also called count in the literals floating point numbers. This is the second types of data types of Java, and first is integer data types. Let's understand the next data types literals, that is called Boolean literals. There are two data types. There are two logical values can have true and false. True logical values can have true or false. But here true and false values are changed. Changed according to the requirement. in a Boolean literals. So true or false, it cannot be literals. It depends on the user. What user defines the literals? User defines literals. That's if, let's say, if user defines literals 0 and 1, suppose if false is 0, then the literal will be 0. If true is assigned to the 1, then literal would be 1 in the Boolean literal data types.